Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the auto close lever on the Samsung refrigerator. We'll need one tool for the job. It'll be a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. The auto close lever helps pull the door closed to ensure that the door seals properly. To remove the auto close lever, we'll start by removing the one Phillips screw. With the screw removed, you can wiggle the part and pull up to remove it. If you have a bad auto close lever and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To reinstall the auto close lever, you'll line up the pin, then push down, then reinstall the Phillips screw. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.